First, remove the battery cover from the bottom shell, while check scratches and other defects. Second, put the battery spring into the bottom shell. Third, fix the battery spring plate to the bottom shell. Fourth, fix the scale sensor to the bracket. Fifth, fix the sensor bracket on the bottom shell and tighten the screw. 6. Check the appearance of the button is OK. Put the button in the shell. 7. Put in lens, backlight in the shell. 8. Stick part slices on the motherboard. 9. Solder the wire to the motherboard. 10. Check if the backlight will be on. 11. Arrange the lines inside the shell. 12. In production inspection, including checking if it can be turned on, if the digital display is complete, if the sensor is working, and the unit is complete. 13. Screw the motherboard to the shell. 14. Screw the top shell and bottom shell together. 15. Check the feel of the keys and adjust the tightness of the screws. 16. Calibration, including power on to check if 7 units available. Select the maximum range. Put the weight to calibrate. It means OK when pass appears. Turn off, then power on again to test overload by pressing on the weight.